Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. So today's video, I'm trying to get things done, and I'm hoping by the end of this video you are motivated enough to get up and get things done as well. I don't know when I'll get this video out, but I still filmed and edited it Ramadan. I don't know by the time if I let this video out it will still be Ramadan, but hey. So there is cooking and cleaning motivation, so let's keep watching. I'm starting off with this washed laundry that needed folding. I'm not so lazy at folding laundry, though it's not something I look forward to. Every time I wash, I'm like, I have to fold on the same day, but it does not always happen like that. It either rains or I'm just too tired or too lazy on that day to fold it. So this laundry had been in the corner of my bedroom for a few days until I was like, I gotta get it done. So if you have laundry in a chair or somewhere in the laundry room, anywhere at the corner of your bedroom or sitting room, get it, let's fold together. So this is how I cook my spaghetti. After boiling water, I put it in here and time it for 5 to 6 minutes. Then I will fry it. I have done a full video in the past for how I cook my spaghetti and my secret recipe. Yes, my family enjoys it, so I believe you'll also love it. I will leave the link of that video in the description box. You can always check it out. It is fully step by step how I get there. And since it's still Ramadan, this is what my son, who is not fasting, is going to have for lunch. He's not going to have all of it because we will also keep some for iftar. You are probably thinking, I forgot to ask how you are. No, I did not. How are you? How is family? How is work? How is everything in your life? Mine, Alhamdulillah, I have been better since the last time I posted, and at a point in my life where I don't stress about nothing. As long as I'm healthy and my family is okay, we have a roof over our heads, and there is food to eat. It does not matter what food it is, as long as there is food on the table. Alhamdulillah, I am happy with that. You can imagine this time, like this month last year, we are still in lockdown. The kids were still at home, and the situation was not good, like economically, not only us, like not only me, like the whole country and the whole world. It was bad. This time we are out of the lockdown, Alhamdulillah, and it has not gotten any better. Believe me, you see, everything is high, like double price of what it used to be. But Alhamdulillah, we are still here. So whatever it is that you're going through, work, family, just cast your burdens onto Allah. Keep me in your dua. I will also do the same. Let's keep praying about whatever it is that we are going through. It will be fine. I have faith. It will be fine, inshallah. I'm cleaning my fridge or refrigerator. It wasn't in a good condition, as you have seen, and health-wise, I think I neglected it too much. It shouldn't have got to this. I mean, it keeps the food we eat, so it should be maintained very well. But you know, mom life, here and there, I keep postponing it. I say tomorrow, okay, the next day, until I was like, I got to get this done. So I am so glad that I got to it and cleaned it. You will love the afterwards if you keep watching. It's evening already, and I am making some iftar porridge. I am trying so much to finish in time, and this is the last thing that I'll be doing in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you've subscribed already, please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified immediately when I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for always supporting. Until the next upload, God bless all of you. Bye.